in Sweden.
Now, we're looking now at your season continuing from here, and of course you're sitting in a very good team with Team Honda Martin. How did the cooperation start between you and Paolo Martin? How did you come to the team?
So when?
Yeah, how? How did this happen? How did you get the contact between him and Paolo Martin?
Oui, donc tu es dans un bon team, team Paolo Martin. Comment ça s'est fait le contact avec Paolo Martin?
J'étais l'année dernière en junior, en championnat de France, et Antoine Méo, j'ai connu lors d'un stage quand je commençais la moto la première année. J'avais gardé contact avec Antoine et l'année dernière, Antoine s'est blessé au genou, du coup il a arrêté la saison. Et donc moi, j'ai cherché un pilote pour terminer la saison. Antoine Méo a parlé de moi à Paolo. Antoine m'a contacté pour que je vienne essayer la moto. Donc je suis allé essayer, j'ai plu à Paolo, la moto m'a plu. Je savais qu'Honda Martin c'était vraiment un super team. Donc Paolo m'a donné la chance d'essayer les deux GP. Comme ça, juste pour voir, je n'avais pas trop la vitesse. Cet hiver, j'ai beaucoup travaillé avec toi, Jackie. Et j'arrive cette année vraiment content de mon travail et il faudra encore aller plus loin, travailler encore cet hiver pour l'année prochaine, faire le MX2.
So last year was in junior French championship. That time I was already a good friend of Antoine Méo. Paolo was looking for some riders to finish the season. Antoine get injury about his knee, and so it's coming close to Gauthier, like working together. And when Paolo asked him if he knows some good riders, and Antoine said, okay, I can introduce to you the Paul and Gauthier. And Paul has come into Italy and tried the bike. And Paolo was happy about his ride and gave him a chance to ride the GP. Of course, the leader was not good, but Paolo was clever in liking the way he's ride, the way he's going on the bike, and he gave him the chance for this year. So he started to work with Rimon all the winter time, and he grew up. And he's happy about his work, happy about Paolo Martin, everything they give to him. So now it's a really good opportunity for him, and he's concentrated to do the best he can.
France has always had very good young riders, and France has a very good system of helping the juniors with the junior cadet, the French cadet program. Were you ever part of the program of the FFM, like some riders before? This youth training program of the FFM.
Oui, en France, ils ont un bon programme pour aider les pilotes juniors. Est-ce que tu as fait partie de ce programme-là de la FFM, de l'équipe de France? Ouais, de l'équipe de France.
Je suis arrivé dans la moto un peu tard, à 12 ans, et j'ai fait quelques stages avec la FFM, le collectif Esport, qui n'est pas l'équipe de France, et disons que avec les Robert, ça...
Je sais pas si il n'y a pas eu de comment dire, t'as pas été retenu dans l'équipe de France, il me semble, hein?
Non, j'ai pas été retenu, mais bon, il n'y a pas eu une bonne entente aussi. Donc, non, je n'y ai pas participé.
So he's coming a little bit late on the motocross, and so he just makes some. He's going one time, because the trainer from French, invite him to come one time, but there's no connection, He's just coming one time, and so he's going on his way. It's not about this program.
Okay. Disons que je suis arrivé, les pilotes étaient déjà à un certain niveau en équipe de France. Je suis arrivé directement comme ça. J'ai progressé assez vite. Je suis arrivé à leur niveau et ça a été dur de m'accepter au tout début.
So he's coming a little bit late, and the level in the French team is already high. So he was
below.
yeah, and he's go up, but it's a little bit late because the team is already
Okay, now just the last question. Of course, we're talking about the trainers now, and you are a former world champion, and you are his trainer. Do you only work with him or with other riders as well?
No, I'm working for Paolo Martin, and supposed to work with all the riders trying to ride with Paolo. This is my new job this year. So we're working hard this winter with Antoine Leo and Gauthier, and also the two guys European Championship, Andrea, Cervellini, and Davide Turcat. This is all. The riders is working with Paolo Martin.
Okay, and.
Riders is working with Paolo Martin.
Okay, and maybe you've seen now, you've worked with Gauthier some time. What are your expectations for him over the next 2 to 3 years?
I was really surprised about his progress. His progress this winter. He made a big step this winter. So for sure, if it's still continue that way, for me, 2 more years and we'll be on top 5 in the World Championship, because if it's going the same progress this winter than the next winter, for sure, because the speed is there, and just miss a little bit experience right now. But I can compare the lap time, for example, in Montova during the race. The lap time was good, like top 5. And so he was really good about his speed, but he's from European now, European Championship, and it's for 25 minutes. And for sure, 35 minutes and 25 make a big change. Especially the liver is also more high. And he was surprised about the liver, so high, and he used a lot of energy to go on that. But I think it's coming, pretty good. And we see tomorrow, but now it's not a surprise. Montova is the liver, because he told me, in European Championship I can ride easy and no problem, stay on the front with the French guys, But in GP I can't take a rest. I need to go wide open everywhere, every corners, everywhere. So it changed a bit, and you need to learn about that.